Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to make the FF virus and Day of Dust the border, so we can go and absolutely infect everyone. Alright, before we start guys, you'll need these 4 items. You'll need 2 batteries, 1 ST-001, and 1 ST-0. If you don't have enough credits to buy the ST-001 and the STO from the shop dealer at the mall, then you could sneak into ARD Labs and take them from here for free. Alright, so first step is what you want to do is what you take the ST-001 and go out into Zone 14 and find the archaeological dig site. It's be right here beside the line of Fedorium. And what you gotta do is walk up to it and click on it, and you should have, now your ST-001 should have a blue like thing in it. Alright, so what you want to do now is come back to the ARD Labs and go into Lab 4. And what you want to do is you want to take one of the batteries and go into this room right here. And inside this room should be a battery holding cell. So then what you want to do is take the battery and put it inside, and it should be working. Now what you want to do is come over to this centrifuge area and take out your ST-00 and click on insert sample. And once it's done, it should have all your samples in here and it should start spinning. And what you want to do is just wait a little bit for it to go. Alright, and so when it's done, it should look like this. And then what you gotta do is go over to this machine right here. So it's a FF receive the sample. Just click it and pick it up. So now you should have this platelet thing. And what you want to do is go out of here. Alright, so now what you want to do is come back to the lab and go over to one of these research benches right here and take the platelet and just hit begin research, and then you should start researching. Alright, so when the research is done, you'll see a little thing, a little clipboard. Just hit R to collect. And once you got that clipboard, come over to this machine. Right over here is a battery intake. I already put a battery in, but so take your other battery and just put it in there, right? And so then what you want to do is take your clipboard and you see insert sample. Just click E and it will go in. Alright, yeah, and then the tray will close up and it will be good to go. And you just gotta wait a little bit for it to process. Alright, and then when it's done, the tray will pop out and it'll have a vial on it, and then what you just do is you take the vial, right, tray will come back in, and so now you got the vial in your hand. And so what you gotta do now is with the vial in your hand, just click, and now you got the FF virus. And all you gotta do now is just click E to inject yourself with it, and you'll be good to go. And so yeah, have fun and infect everyone in the border. Now I also hear you guys saying, but raiding Lab 4 and getting into ARD Labs and going in and out and doing all that stuff is so hard. Yeah, I know. That's why I found something. So there's this tower right by Zetatom over here on the highway. It's right here next to the cave. You can crack it open. There's a ladder down, and it has all the supplies needed. Well, actually no, it doesn't. I lied. It doesn't have the centrifuge, but it has the machine and it has the enzyme researching thing. I don't know how you turn the researching thing on, but you just have to place a battery in here to turn the machine on. But I literally don't know how to turn the research thing on. It might be somewhere else, but I don't know. You guys can go figure that out. I think maybe there might be a centrifuge over here that like substitutes the centrifuge. Maybe if you turn it on. I don't know. You guys can go find out how to turn this stuff on, but yeah, that's basically it. Bye.